no customer would be unhappy to not wait for 3 seconds and get the solution. So I think they saw the value, not just building agents and orchestration and all of the complex things behind scene, but the use case of being able to use in an enterprise, being able to, because the world is full of APIs,
Welcome to GenAI Talks.
Hi, I'm Sushant, CEO and co-founder of Vortex IQ. We build AI agents for e-commerce, and now we are building an AI agent studio which will help not just e-commerce, for anyone to build an AI agent. We didn't just win one, but we won 2 of the hackathon tracks, and obviously a lot has gone in. There were lots of things to choose from. There were like 12 to 15 different things we could do in this hackathon. So what helped us win was the first read out every single track which is available, and that was the boring bit, because we felt that we could do really well in so many areas, and the team, again, picking up the right team members to be able to contribute in like 3 days, 4 days max. So that was quite challenging, but we were lucky enough to have identified that we would be able to contribute something to this hackathon which will help the wider audience as well as the people who are sponsoring the hackathon for showcasing their technology in the best possible manner. So I think that it's a combination of the best team possible, the best technology that you have available to be able to pick at the right time and showcase the right elements, because AI is moving so fast, and it made sense for us to just hone in on our best capabilities and find out the key technology partners and come out with something which is usable in the real world. So I think that's the reason why they got picked as the first winner. So the ones that we won, one is called Fetch AI. It's a marketplace for AI agents, where if the future, I think there is prediction that the number of agents will be way more than the number of humans in the planet. So if the agent numbers are going to go significantly higher, the only way you would be able to find the agents is through a marketplace. And what we have built allows a user to in plain English, write your requirement and then be able to build the agent. The agent goes in to the internet, finds all of the relevant APIs, creates the agent, deploys it to the cloud. So obviously it has a lot of combinations, and that was the first track that we won, which is the Fetch Award. And then the next one is Coral Protocol. So their technology allows us to add agents on the fly. So which means that, let's say you are a customer service agent and you are answering a specific question, and actually the agent has been built to do refunds or do specific tasks, but then all of a sudden you come across a specific requirement, like going into the catalog and finding your most recent product, and that was not coded into the agent. So that's where agents were failing traditionally. Now with our agent builder, while they're on the call, we will be able to fetch the API, build the agent on the fly, deploy it to the cloud. And Coral Protocol allows us to deploy an agent in 3 seconds flat. So I think no customer would be unhappy to not wait for 3 seconds and get the solution. So I think they saw the value, not just building agents and orchestration and all of the complex things behind scene, but the use case of being able to use in an enterprise, being able to, because the world is full of APIs, and these marketplaces are the future for commerce and future for agentic world. And we have built the tools to be able to do that, and hence I think we got picked out as the best in the categories.
What's the 1 or 2 bits of key advice you might give about how to win, how to do well at a hackathon? Yes. Especially thinking of maybe the younger version of yourself, or just to a younger person that could help.
I think my younger version may or may not have had the opportunity that is present now, which is that if you take any topic today in the field of AI or in the field of agentic commerce or agents in general, if you go into YouTube and hit search your topic of interest, you would find a lot of YouTubers actually doing end-to-end demonstration of how to build with you. So basically you can watch a bunch of these YouTube videos and replicate the exact same thing. And that's how actually we learn we do a bunch of POCs all the time to replicate exactly what the YouTuber has done, to be able to then see vet against what the enterprise really need, and what element of these can be used in our global deployments worldwide. So I think the advice would be to do not try to do everything alone. Just see what somebody else has done, and that way you can actually speed up, and it becomes way more interesting because you're guaranteed that it will work, because for the YouTuber it had worked, so you should be able to replicate and it will work for you. So that's the fastest way to learn new things.
Big ideas, real tools, bold moves. That's what GenAI Talks is all about. Don't miss what's next. Subscribe and explore more in our GenAI community.